Hi, I'm Kenna Johnson from the Channel Company. AI is transforming the media and entertainment industry from movies and TV to corporate videos. Post production now requires high performance, large scale storage for tasks like editing and special effects. I'm here with Paul Blinzer from AMD and Sherry Lynn from Supermicro to learn how they are optimizing storage for these workflows. Glad to have you both here with me. Sherry, how does Supermicro's hardware support modern media and entertainment workloads, and what unique value does your solution provide?
So we know that those AI and AI technology revolutionize the MME. Higher performance is needed during those editing process, post-production process. Supermicro provide the industry broadest hardware portfolio, including GPU servers and higher performance, adopt the highest industry technology on the hardware platform. And we also have a high capacity, high density storage platform for those capacity-centric workload. And unique value that we provide, I would say summarize 5 points. Number one is we provide one-stop shop for customers to simplify their supply chain management. We provide software and hardware and even the rack scale integration service. Number two, hardware compatibility. So we ensure that we have partnered with many software vendors to ensure that the hardware platform is qualified and work perfectly with the software. Number three is the hardware selection flexibility. So unlike those appliance models, we kind of provide more flexibility on the hardware component selections. So customer can either select their preferred brand component or just simply select whatever is more available. And number four, we preload the software before shipment to save the trouble of installation on site. And number five, and last but not least, we provide full rack scale integration service from rack design, testing, integrations, deployment to support. So that's the unique value that we provide along with the solution.
Paul, what are the key platform architecture features for CPU and intelligent accelerators that improve the storage performance of media storage and management?
Yeah, with AI being in the workflow for media production, there are ever increasing demands on the computational capabilities of the platform, which requires industry-leading performance on the CPU side, like AMD's EPYC processors, but also requires additional processing power in dedicated accelerators, like for example on the GPU side with AMD's MI accelerators, and transporting this from the storage to the GPUs with high throughput to feed the engines, and with intelligent network accelerators to connect to the cloud with like AMD SmartNIC solutions. All that needs to play in from, and we're working with ecosystem partners like Supermicro in building those platforms that are scalable, highly industry performance, and open, that allow those workloads to be processed with a very good user experience, low latency, and appropriate productivity for the media content workflow. Processing itself is like with increased demands on the machine language models, requires a high amount of data that needs to be throughput, and the scaling that the platforms can provide is like important, and to allow the growth of the language models for the increasing demands over time that come into media production.
Sherry and Paul, thank you so much for your time today.
Okay, thank you.
If you'd like to learn more about AMD and Supermicro, visit the website at the bottom of your screen. For the Channel Company, I'm Kenna Johnson.